Swimwear. Starting with babe number 1, Janelle Avila. Our babe number 1's hobby is playing the guitar. She's 20 years of age and stands 5'6". Babe number 2, Angel Agustin. Her hobby is playing volleyball. Angel is 18 years of age. She stands 5'7". Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome babe number 3, Boy. Yeah! Boy loves to play badminton. She's 23 years of age and stands 5'2". And now let's welcome our home, starting with home number 1, Matt Zaragoza. Matt's hobby is playing basketball. He's 36 years of age and stands 5'10". And now we have home number 2, Jo Marie Nina. Jo Marie's hobby is working out. He stands 5'8" and he is 24 years of age. And now we have home number 3, JM De La Cruz. JM loves to play the guitar and sing. He stands 5'8", and he is 23 years of age. And now we have on number 4, John Harvey Chava. John loves going to the gym. He stands 6 feet flat, and he is just 53 years of age. And last but certainly not the least, home number 5, Simon Avalanche. Simon loves to play basketball. He stands 5'8", and he is just 24 years of age. Easy to Cerama Complex! Let's all welcome back our Homestead babes in their hot and sizzling swimwear! Alright, Eastern Cerama Complex. Once again, pahingi naman ang mga kamay ninyo. At palakpakan natin ang napaka-sexy mga Homestead babes natin in their sizzling and hot swimwear. Alright, so while our judges are tabulating the scores, interview natin ang mga hugs and waves natin, syempre. Para naman mas makilala natin sila. Eh, syempre, kung meron man silang gustong i-promote sa kanilang mga social media accounts, this would be the perfect time to do so. Okay, simulan natin sa ating mga babes, papunta sa ating mga hugs. Alright, let's start with babe number 1. Okay, sabi dito, may mga questions. In fairness, may mga prepared questions na dito. Okay, this would not affect, of course, your scores. I usually do this because nakakatanggap din ako ng mga work actually sa mga audience members natin. Because some of them, of course, are scouts as well. Probably they'll talk to your managers, tapos ibubuk din kayo in mga ibang mga shows. So, this would be the perfect time if you have YouTube account, dahil uso-uso yan, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wala pa lang Twitter, X na siya ngayon. Tapos, may mga TikTok accounts kayo. This is the perfect avenue to do so. Or kung may mga businesses din kayo na gusto niyo i-promote, okay, perfect time. Okay, so simple lang naman gagawin natin. Once I give the mic to you, kindly introduce yourself. Kasi if you want to thank anyone, pasalamatan sa mga handlers no, fans ninyo, or of course, anyone in the crowd, pwede nyo gawin. At kung may gusto kayong i-promote, eto na, i-promote na. Ang social media account ko would be, for example, ako, AC Aguilar. So that's my Instagram and my Facebook handle. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Alright, so start off with babe number 1. Alright, take it away.
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Avila Janelle, I'm from Bulacan, and my FB name is Avila Janelle, same as IG.
Alright, ayan, Havina Janelle. Sorry, I keep on mispronouncing your name. It's Havina pala, Janelle. Avila Janelle. Alright, that's Avila Janelle. Pero ka din bang TikTok? Nagtitiktok ka din? Alright, no TikTok. So that's her Facebook handle, Avila Janelle. Alright, now let's move on to babe number 2. Alright, babe number 2. Super energetic at backstage. Take it away.
Good evening everyone. I am Angel Bianca Agustin, representing Quezon City. As I start my journey with Summer Body Quest, I would only like to promote one thing, and that is body positivity. As we all, as a for this generation today, we tend to chase after perfection, but and that is also expected of us, from the candidates, from beauty queens, to chase after perfection. This is why I would like to promote body positivity. You're not in any competition with anyone. You're in competition with yourself. It's not a competition at life. Please aim to be healthy and to achieve the most perfect you. And for my social media accounts, please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. My handle is Angel Bianca, and for my Instagram, it's ABIsacutie. Thank you everyone, and I hope to see you again on the grand finals if ever I make it. Thank you!
Alright, grabe. Prepared na prepare. Ang haba nun. Nag-chat GPT ba na? Kidding aside, of course, okay yan kasi this is not the end of any competition. I'm sure you guys are joining so many competitions na magkakaroon din ng Q&A eventually. We are very lucky, of course, Summer Body's Best wala tayong Q&A. Pero just in case, nag-go international kayo, may Q&A kayo, maging kasana rin kayo, di ba? At syempre, mali nyo, maging future host din kayo in the future. Future host in the future. Alright! Alright, babe number 3. Ikaw din. Take it over.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Boy. Follow me on my TikTok account, BOI Vera. Thank you.
Alright, from very long to very short and sweet. Okay, thank you so much. You may follow them on their social media handles. Ayan, nagde-deliver na sila ngayon. Punta na tayo ngayon sa hunk number 1. Ito, si Paring Matt. Alright, brother. Kamusta ang hunk number 1? Share yung una ka. Okay, brother, kamusta ka? Okay, alam mo na yung drill na to. Pakilala ka ulit. Baka may mga bagong pakulo ka dyan. Baka may nag-vlog ka na ngayon. Ibita mo naman kami.
Hi everyone, my name is Matt Zaragoza from Tondo, 26 years old.
Yun lang. Okay, sige yun lang. Wala ka bang masasalamatan? Sumama na na. Wala na. Alright man. Good luck to you. And of course, good luck to everyone. Hunk number 2. Ikaw naman.
Hi everyone, I'm John Marie, 24. And gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa handler namin sa support. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat. Hang number 2. Alam mo, natutuwa ako din sa pagganyan mo. Pinili din ako ng asawa ko magganyan. Uso daw yan, nakakabagets. Yan, nagsuot naman ako. Ayan, nakakabagets na para sa Mahang Saturday. Dahil sila ang ating mga bagets and they are the future, of course. Alright, brother, hunk number 3. Same question with you. Take it away.
My name is JM De La Cruz. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Antipolo City. Please follow me on my social media account. JM De La Cruz on Instagram and Facebook, and RR De La Cruz in my TikTok account. Thank you so much.
Alright, brother. Yan. Magkaiba yung Instagram na at TikTok. JM De La Cruz for their Instagram and RR De La Cruz for his TikTok account. Grabe din yung kalma. Baby kalma. Ilang alam ko kasi hindi pinapausap. So tatawakin yung misis ko doon. Okay, brother, hang number 4. Alam mo, so far, ikaw yung medyo crowd favorite pag tinatanong ko. So, ano ang mensahe mo sa mga manonood natin? Siyempre, imbitahan mo rin kami sa mga social media handles mo.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for supporting me. And I'm John Harvey Java, currently living in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. And my Facebook account is John Harvey Java. Thank you.
Okay, short but sweet din si brother. Facebook account is John Harvey. Tama ba? Java. Okay, there we go. And last but not the least, si hunk number 5. Ayan, ang ating buzzer beater. Tignan natin kung ang kanyang buzzer beater ay ma-shoot all the way to the grand finals. Okay, brother, take it away.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala sa Simon Abrenica, 24 years old from Cainta, Rizal. Salamat nga pala sa mga pumunta at sumuporta. Ingat kayo pag-uwi. Thank you.
Ay, brother, it's Simon Abrenica pala. Nagyata naman ito. Nakalugay kasi ito Simon Abrenica. Ba, kakaiba ito yung ano natin May meron tayong candidate na iba yung lahi. Alam ko, Abrenica. Abrenica. Alright, there you go. Simon Abrenica. Sensya na, makareseta ng doktor kasi sulat ng mga employees. But nonetheless, guys, good luck to everyone. Win or lose, you guys are actually winners with the experience here in Talents Manila. I've been doing this for 9 years now. Nahasa na yung hosting skills ko. I've gotten so many jobs as well. I owe it so much, of course, to Talents Manila. So let it be your stepping stone. Marami nang nanggaling dito na tumawid all the way to show business. Ayan, iba nasa Viva Max na. Iba nakapag-Century 2 na pa. May Century 2 na pa ba? Meron pa yun. So, nakapag-Century 2 na iba from Summer Body Spray. So, hopefully guys, meron kayong mag-represent on those occasions and even international. So, bless you. You guys are very, very young. So, you guys have so much ahead of you. Okay! So once again, our winners will go all the way to the grand finals. That will be on June 15th. Pero June 8th will be our fashion show. Medyo matagal-tagal pa yon. So 2 things can happen, guys. Pwede kayong mag-slack off at tumaba kasi papunta ng summer yan. Or pwede kayong mas mag-workout pa all the way to June 15th. At pagbalik ninyo, Diyos ko naman, para na kayo parang batak na kayo, di ba? So, it's either you destroy the competition or you become part of the society, the healthy society, should I say. Okay, mukhang nagtatabulate pa rin talaga. Nahihirapan talaga ang mga kawado natin. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, talaga dikit ang labanan natin. Our physique and our criteria for judging, should I say, would be physique and body proportion, 40%, personality and character, 30%, theme presentation, 20%, audience impact, 10%, for a total of 100%. Sino kaya sa ating mga kikising at magagandang mga dilag ang mag-move on to the grand finals? I could really commend you guys and ladies because mahirap yan. Mahirap to showcase, of course, tama si babe number 2, body positivity. Okay? Na talagang papakita natin and be confident with our skin and with our body. So, kudos guys. It's something that I'm really hard to do. Siguro nung edad nyo, nakapag-gumawa na rin ako ng ganyan. Siguro ilan sa inyo, napanood na rin naman yung mga ilang pelikulang ginawa ko. So, I'm pretty much sure may mga pelikula din ako medyo explicit yung mga nangyaring kaganapan. At iba, tinanong pa ako kung talagang ginawa ko ba yun. Yeah. So, I'm sure na-search nyo rin yun sa mga online pages. So, ayan. Meron din po akong ginawa Viva Max, pero di po ako nagpakita ng skin doon. Di pa rin po siya lumalabas. It's starring Dian Goloizaga. So, di ko po alam kailan din ipapalabas. yung pelikulang yun. So, hopefully, palabas na rin siya soon. Hopefully, magkaroon din siya theatrical release. Pero last year pa po namin ginawa yun. So, abangan din po natin yung pelikulang yun. So, ang bida po doon ay si Diego at si... So ba? Kalimutan ko kasi leading lady ni Diego doon. Pero yun, yung pelikula po yun. So, si Ren. Kung di ako nagkakamali, si Ren Escano ata yung leading lady ni Diego. Yes, si Ren. Yes, sinong pen mo? Sino yung pen mo? Sumisigaw ka. Grabe yung haircut mo ngayon, ha? Marami ako masabi. Taray. Legit yan? Yan talaga buhok mo? In fairness, ha? Tinubuhan ang hair. In fairness. Alis wala pa tayo isang taon nagkita. Ang haba na, ha? Ibang klase. Ibigay mo sa akin na kasi medyo numinipis na yung buhok ko dito sa taas. Kasi stress na ako. Kumakapal na ako. Kumakapal na yung ano ko, yung kumakapal numinipis yung buhok ko. Gusto kong kumapal. Okay, here we go. So, ibibigay na sa akin ngayon ni Miss Analu ang ating mga panalo. Alright, so here in my hands right now are our winners. So we'll move on to the grand finals. So pag tinawag ko po ang inyong pangalan, kindly move forward. And syempre, I would like to invite our judge, Sir Jonathan Alegre, to join me here on stage para po sa ating awarding. Thank you so much, of course, to Ms. Johnny Gonzalez, Ms. Jen Kobe Venancio. Mukhang nahirapan po talaga sila sa pagtabulate ng mga scores. Alright, simulan natin sa mga honks. Ang unang magbububuan sa Grand Finals ay si honk number 4, John Harvey Gana. Congratulations to John Harvey. Joining John Harvey, I see babe number 5? Yung ba sila? Sobra? Number 10? Ano ka kayo? Babe number 2! Angel Agustin! May mga nakikita mga hindi ko nakikita. Alright, congratulations to babe number 2, Angel Agustin. I would just like to say, palakpakan po natin ang mga babes natin. Maraming salamat, babes. But unfortunately, only babe number 2 move on to the grand finals. So babes, maraming salamat po. You may proceed backstage. And of course, this is not the end of every journey. Tuloy-tuloy lang po ang laban natin. Para sa mga house po natin, di pa po tapos. May nakapasok pa sa grand finals. Sino kaya to? Isita, sino? Hope number 5, Simon Ebrenica. Hope stay put dahil meron ka. Alright, this remaining hawk is gonna move on to the grand finals. So bago tayo tuluyang magpaalam sa lahat, muli isin na Cinema Complex. Bago po ina, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Magkita-kita ulit po tayo next week dito sa honey show natin na Summer Bodies Quest. Ako po ulit si AC Aguilar. At ang huling hawk natin